Hello friends, welcome to my channel Tech and ICT Solutions, with another Wi-Fi password showing tutorial. Today I will be showing, how can we show, Wi-Fi password by phone. Let's start. Go to the setting menu, on your phone, click on Connections. Go to the Wi-Fi options, here you can see, My Connected Wi-Fi. After click, Connected Wi-Fi SSID, click on the QR code option. We can see the QR code here, and take a screenshot. Now, we need to edit or crop this QR code, just keep the code area. Save this code as an image, on your phone. Now, go to any internet browser, and type, Zxing, decode online, and press enter. Click, Zxing, decode online. In the second option, click on, upload a file, and select your QR code, then submit. After submitting, here we can see, my connected Wi-Fi password. Friends, I hope after showing this video tutorial, you can easily show your connected Wi-Fi password by phone. If you have any queries about Wi-Fi related issues, please type me in the comment box. Thanks for watching this video. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more new tech and ICT related videos.